How to cash out is very simple. So to cash out your money, you just need to go to your balance. So you can see my balance is here and it's telling me request payout. So you can see that the minimum amount that you can get to cash out your money is $20. So if you are not aware of this, just understand the minimum amount you can reach before you cash out your money is $20. So I'm going to click on the section where it said request payout to cash out my $24. So it's going to take me to this section here. So once it brings me here, it's going to be telling me that I can cash out my money with PayPal, which I'm going to pay 15% of this $24, or I will use this website which is called Jump Task. Or Jump Token, you can see it here, which is 100% free, but at the end of the day, you are still going to pay a fee inside the crypto platform that you are trying to pay the transaction to. Even if you don't pay to Jump Task, where you are going to move the money to, they are going to ask you for a commission. At the end of the day, it's almost the same thing. So I'm going to use PayPal on this video, which means 15% of this money is going to be wiped off by by Honeygain. So that is it. It's a lot of money that they are taking from the fee. So for me, I don't really agree with them on this area. So they are really like chopping out a lot of money. They did not even take 1%. They take 15% out of the money that you make. So for me, it's too much. At least 1% is very, very good, but 15%. I need the money and I have shared my internet connection with them, so I need that cash. So I will click on PayPal and I will click on continue. Here, I'm going to enter a code that is sent to my Gmail account. It says we send a 6-digit verification code to your email. So I'm going to go to my email to take the code. So as you can see here, this is the code that Honeygain have sent to me. I will copy the code now. I will enter my code and click on verify. So it said your payout request has been received. Our payment partner party is now handling your sweet money. In 48 hours, you will receive further instruction to your email. It says check your payment details in transaction history. So if I click here now, it's going to take me to the transaction history. When I click on payout, you can see the payment in payout. You can see here it's showing processing check, Tea Party. So that is the company that is processing this transaction. So that is how you can withdraw your money. You can see that I have just cashed out my money and they are going to send me an email